Welcome to this in-depth walkthrough of BitFlyer, the ultimate cryptocurrency exchange platform. BitFlyer provides a seamless experience for beginners and experienced traders alike, with an intuitive interface and comprehensive trading tools that allow users to buy, sell, and trade Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Once on the homepage, you'll notice the sleek layout, with options for instant trading, viewing market trends, and accessing your account dashboard. To get started, create an account by clicking the Sign Up button. BitFlyer's registration process is simple, requiring your email, password, and some basic verification steps to ensure security. After signing up, verify your account by uploading the necessary documents for identity confirmation. This ensures compliance with regulations and protects your funds. When logged in, navigate to the dashboard to explore the trading tools. BitFlyer provides real-time charts, customizable layouts, and advanced order options such as limit and market orders. Beginners will appreciate the Instant Buy feature for quick transactions, while seasoned traders can utilize the Lightning Exchange for in-depth trading strategies. Before you make your first trade, fund your account by selecting the deposit option in your wallet. BitFlyer supports multiple deposit methods, including bank transfers and cryptocurrency deposits. Choose the method most convenient for you and confirm your transaction. Once your funds are deposited, you're ready to explore the market. When placing your first trade, use the market overview to identify opportunities. BitFlyer provides up-to-date information on market trends and price fluctuations, ensuring informed decisions. For users interested in staking or long-term holding, the platform's security ensures your crypto is safe, with advanced encryption and cold storage solutions. AD integration. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. As you navigate the platform, explore the Learn section for helpful tutorials and guides. Whether you're trading for profit or expanding your portfolio, BitFlyer's support ensures you have the resources you need to succeed. Don't forget to claim your sign-up bonus by registering with the link in the description. If you found this overview helpful, make sure to subscribe to this channel and give the video a thumbs up.